All right, so these are the upgraded switches for the filament detector, and I already had a problem. They wear away on the end, on the inside, right at the tip of this tweezer. They wear away, but it's okay. These things are pretty cool and easy to fix because mine popped out, I guess, when I was taking the filament out, and when I went to pull the switch, everything kind of exploded. I didn't know it was in a bunch of pieces. So there's a quick video on how to put them back together. You just take, once you find the pieces, that is. Once you find the pieces, because that's the hard part. So on the switch, there's a little ring. You see it? That's the part that faces you. You just slide it in a slot like so, and you drop it in there. And then you take this spring right here and you put it in the ring. Okay? After you get it in there, it kind of sinks right in. Oh, it's stuck to my tweezers because my tweezers are messed up. They're so old. I gotta file them again. But anyhow, let me redo it real quick. We'll just slip this in here. Wow, this is actually harder the second time than the first time. It just kind of went in. And then I was like, wait, let me make a video. And now it's like being difficult. Also, I was using both hands. Hold on. Let me try again. Yeah, I thought all these pieces were lost and I didn't know what was inside, so I decided to put a new one in, and then I used this one for a guinea pig, and then I did it real slow. Then I found out what it was, and I was like, oh, that's so simple. So then I went back and I looked for the pieces, although I thought it was 3 pieces. It's actually only 2. The trigger and the spring are the only 2 pieces, but then this is what the new switch looks like, and that just slides over that switch. And then that's it. It's just kind of put back together. And once you close it up, once you put that there, usually when you get the switches, the new upgraded one, there's only 1 screw in them though, which I guess that's all you need to keep them together. But it only comes with 1 screw. So it is what it is. I guess we could always buy more and upgrade it later. But that's pretty much it. And I just rebuilt it and put it all back together. So it should work fine. Get a piece of filament real quick, test it out, because I got some here with my 3D pen, because I was making some stuff. So we just put it in. Yep, goes in, comes out, not jamming. Yep, it's fixed. Yeah, I couldn't put nothing in there. It was jammed like the original ones, but I guess it just popped out of place. Maybe you should have another screw in there. But anyhow, yeah, it's fixed. That's pretty much how you put it back together. And be careful when you take that screw out and pull this plate straight back, because the spring pops out. But that's how you put it back together. Like, share, subscribe. Peace out.